Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Revolution, Pocket, Hole, Groove, Mirror, Chamfer, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. In step 1, we sketch half of the position 1 profile and create a solid part with the Revolution tool. Now, activate the Sketch tool and then select the YZ plane. Activate the arc from center to. Keep the center point of the curve on the vertical axis. Next, constrain the endpoints of the curves symmetrical to the vertical axis. Now, assign the dimensions according to the drawing. Sketch a horizontal construction line and then constrain it tangential to the upper curve. Now, connect the curves with vertical lines. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. In step 2, we sketch the position to profile and then we create a solid part with the Extrude and the Hole tools. Select the front face and then activate the Sketch tool. Now, activate the hexagon profile and then sketch the profile at the origin. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and then extrude it by 16 millimeters. Next, we modify the head of the created part. First, sketch a circle without a dimension at the center. Next, extract the reference edge to constrain the circle and then constrain it tangential. Now, sketch a circle with a bigger diameter. The diameter of the circle should be greater than the diagonal length of the hexagon profile. Next, select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool. In the dialog window, set the length to 25 millimeters and the taper angle to 60 degrees. Next, we create a hole with a thread. Select the circle edge and then activate the Hole tool. In this dialog window, first deactivate the option drill angle and activate the switch direction. Then select the isometric regular standard and set the size of the thread to M27. Keep the depth 25 mm. Click OK to confirm. Now select the hole and change the appearance of the thread. Next, we mirror the nut to the right side. Select the pad, the pocket, and the hole, and then activate the mirror tool. In the dialog window, select the option Base XZ Plane. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, we sketch half of the position 3 profile and then we create a solid part with the revolution tool. Activate the sketch tool and then select the YZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. First sketch roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and dimension it later. Now, let us add dimensions to the sketch. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. First, let us add a fillet to the corner. Now select the sketch and activate the revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. In step 4, we sketch half of the position for profile and then we remove material from the created part with the help of the groove tool. Activate the sketch tool and then select again the YZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. First, we create roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and we will dimension it later. Now, assign the dimensions. Let us add a fillet with a radius of 5 and 2.5 mm to the corners. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Groove tool and then select the rotation axis. In step 5, we create a hole with a thread with the Hole tool. Select the upper edge of the cylinder and then activate the Hole tool. In this dialog window, select the isometric regular standard and set the size of the thread to M27. Don't forget to deactivate the option drill angle. Next, we change the appearance of the thread. Sorry, deactivate the deactivated suppressed button. The last step is adding fillets to the created part. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Now, I will show you how to change the appearance or material of the solid part. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.